Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker EDIFIER MP230. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on. Open control panel and turn on it if it's turned off. Now, your speaker should reconnect with your phone automatically, but for Apple devices, we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at this speaker here. And now we have connection. Now, if it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, right here at the top we have, at the bottom we have power button. You need to press and hold it until you will hear a sound and you will see that the light turn off. So we just turn off the speaker and now it disconnected. So then press and hold again. Here we go, we just turn on the speaker and the speaker should reconnect with your phone automatically. And maybe this one is fix your problem. If it doesn't, I recommend it to remove your speaker from your phone and then add it. So, add this device list in the Bluetooth or connected devices, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to only just go back and return to the Bluetooth. And after that, after you disconnect it, remove it, this speaker enter to pairing mode automatically. So just tap on it as a device list, or if you don't want to enter pairing mode automatically, press and hold the Bluetooth button until the LED lights start blinking blue. And now you enter to pairing mode manually, and then tap on it at the device list. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!